I don't want to go to school.
Mama, 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 mama.
What?
I don't wanna go to school.
Why?
No, I don't wanna go to school.
Why?
Cause I'm gonna break the rules.
Why?
I can't even read books.
Why?
Cause I don't wanna 2 plus 2.
Why?
I just wanna eat food.
Why?
Teacher say I'm too rude.
Why?
Mama, cause I'm too cool.
Why?
I don't wanna go to school.
Why?
I don't wanna go to school. I don't wanna go to school.
Why?
I'm just tired of school. No, Landy, you are going to school.
Dad, I'm running away!
Dawson, what are you doing?
You said you don't want me, I'm leaving.
Dawson, I never said I didn't love you.
Yes, you did.
I said turn off your PlayStation, it's time for bed. It's not the same thing, get in here. And how are you going to run away with a Minecraft sword and a skateboard? Come on, get back in here. Dawson.
Not to flex, but my name has 6.8 million views.
Sorry about that, mate. You'll get it next time.
Oh, what were you saying again? Oh yeah, you'll get them next time.
Oh, what was that? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you, but you'll get him next time. No, you won't. You actually won't.
Hello.
Welcome to GameStop. What are you getting?
A PS2 maybe?
This dude. Bro, get your broke ass up out my store.
Sir, I don't think you can talk to a customer like that. What are you doing?
You got a pout. Oh, shit. Well, goddamn. Oh, Lordy. Sit up. Jesus. We got the rest of our lives together, girl.
Simple but effective ways to repulse creeps. The verbal fart. The how. The sinus block. The snake attack. The scratch. The staring mouth breather. The demonic possession.
Nice! He's really good.
Every day and every night is the one thing on my mind.
Wait a minute. Mom, don't.
Mom, don't.
I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now.
Disney, I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be.
Don't think that acting cool will make me wanna care.
Yes, nice! More shoulder, more shoulder!
The never-ending possibilities.
Demi, hey, listen. Cut! Hey, when you sing, I don't need to see all 32 of your teeth. What I look like, the dentist? Let's go again.
Look where I am, relaxation. This water, very clean. And also we have here a bird that has never come to United Kingdom in his life before. He is now immigration. And also Look, look. There's tree in the water. Have you ever seen like that in your life, like that? Tree? Look, man. This water is clean, but he have too much hair inside. Bird hair. Oh, it's my favorite for basketball, baseball. And inside this tree here, wait, I gonna go inside, man. I don't know if this water you can. Oh, you cannot walking like Jesus. Inside here is a house for some animal. I don't know who is he. Assalamu alaikum, are you at home? Oh my God, in 1999, that was a fence. But volcanic eruption come back again and take him out. And he make him now, here is water.
All right, real quick, we're gonna finish off our what we want to be when we grow up. We stopped at you, Jessica, before lunch. So what do you want to be when you grow up? I think I want to be a dentist when I grow up. Okay. Who's next? Go ahead and go. I want to be a police so I can take people to jail. A police? I knew you was a snitch for a reason. Okay, good. We need some good police officers also. Next. I want to be like Peppa Pig. Oink, oink. What? Did you just snort for one? And did you say Peppa Pig for two? Yeah, I like Peppa Pig. Okay, next. I'm gonna be a robber just like my daddy. I'm gonna take everything I want. A robber? Yep, like my daddy.
I have a lot of voices stuck in my head, so I'm gonna make all of y'all suffer with me.
Hello, mate. I'm getting ripped tonight. R.I.P. down under. Crikey, look at that crocodile right there.
I am getting ripped tonight. R.I.P. This trend is very dumb. It's groovy. Fucking Americans. Me estoy rompiendo esta noche. R.I.P. ese coño.
Here we go, Mario time. It's a beautiful day in Chicago. Uh-oh, the police. Let's pull over. Hey, how y'all doing today? What seems to be the problem?
You got any legal bananas in this car?
Bruh. I don't have no bananas on me. Like, did you want to search the vehicle?
Any gold coins?
No gold coins. I give you permission to search it. You want to search it?
Any blue shells? Any red shells?
No blue shells or red shells, but you can search the car. You can search it.
You gotta impound it.
You gotta impound it? What's the charge?
30 gold coins.
30 gold coins! Oh my God, they're gonna impound my go-kart.
Okay, wait. I promise I won't mention this to anybody. I'm just going to leave. And this is just between us. I promise I'm not going to say anything.
Relax yourself.
I'm not going to tell anybody. Why should we believe you? Why should we not just split you in threes and share you with the camera cat? Because I have children. Their favorite book is of mice and men. I read it to them all the time. You know, Lenny and George and all the rabbits.
Yeah, that's a classical book. But still, I don't
Man, come on, please, man. Let me go. I'm trying
What can he do for us?
I have connections at the Cheesecake Factory. Okay, and you know, before cheese turns into cake, it's milk. So I can get you the hookup on heavy whipping cream, any type of milk you need, 2%, 1%, even almond milk.
Even almond?
Yes.
Do they have coconut milk?
I think so.
Okay, so you're promising the deliverables of 5 to 7 gallons of coconut milk?
Yes, sir. If you let me
get on out of
here. My God, thank you. Thank you. Go and
thank the other cat before our minds change abruptly like weather in the UK.
Thank you so much for your agreeance to release me.
I caught your ass! Get back! Yeah, sucker! Uh-huh.
Excuse me, teacher. Could we please turn off the lights? The LED artificial light bulbs are harmful to my natural wolf eyes, which change color depending on my mood. What do you mean you don't believe me? They turn yellow when I'm happy, red when I'm really, really angry, and green when I'm on the hunt. Speaking of mealtime, you look like you could suffice for my afternoon wolf snack. But I will refrain because my mother said if I get sent to the principal's office one more time for biting somebody, then she will take away my wee. However, I cannot say I will do the same for Marissa, the cat girl, who's been flirting with my crush G8 all week. Look at them over there, laughing, flirting like I don't exist. You know what? No happiness that a Wii game can bring me will compare to that which I will feel when G8 is mine. My eyes turn green.